In today's video I want to show you guys what you can do if your remote is not working or something else, like the power button is not working or something else. So what you can do is to check your batteries on your remote. So if the batteries are low or not full anymore, you have to change the batteries. And what you can do after that is to hold this home button for like 10 seconds. Do this, and then after that you will see a orange light on your remote, and this shows that your remote is connecting you to your Fire TV stick. And what we also can do is here, when we are here now, go to the settings, and in the settings we can click on after it loaded. So I have to go back here to this. And here in the settings we can click on controllers and Bluetooth devices, and here we have our like our remote or something else. And what we can do, click on Amazon Fire TV remote, and here we can see our remote, and we can also add a new remote here, and then your problem should be fixed. What we also can do is to restart our remote. This can also help. And the other thing we can do is to click on my Fire TV, and here we can click on restart to restart our Fire TV. That will also help. Or if you want to, if nothing helps, you can also reset it to the factory settings. If I could help you with this video, then please leave a like and subscribe. If not, write down in the comments, we will find the solution, and then see you next time.